Close your eyes for a second and imagine waking up in the morning to a slimmer waist and especially your lower belly, which will become flatter eventually if you try these two simple moves. Now, what have I told you? You don't need any gym, fancy equipment, or even getting out of your bed to do these very two simple moves. Yes, this 2-minute special lower belly fat workout is designed specially for plus-size women like you and even men who are oversized. You can do these exercises in the comfort of your own bed without any pressure or pain. Let me tell you about Catherine, the client who joined my program just few months ago, and now she's seen phenomenal weight loss, and especially with her lower belly, she's seen amazing results, amazing inch loss. She joined my weight loss program at 98 kilos, but now she's reduced a lot of weight and she feels so much more confident. She mentioned she couldn't even look into the mirror, but now instead of giving up on herself, she actually just gave herself 2 minutes a day with these two simple moves, and that is how she achieved all the results. But Catherine said, more importantly, it's not about the weight I lost, but actually the smile that I've gained and the confidence that I've gained after a long period of time. I'm here to guide you all with the same two simple moves which kept Catherine consistent, persistent, and made sure that she saw the results. So if Catherine can do it with my help, so can you. I'm here to give you all the same very exercise, but before that, you have to comment below with an affirmation. Yes, I can do it too. Let's do it. I know what you might be thinking. This routine is too tough for me. I can't do intense workouts and I know my knee's gonna hurt, so I don't want to do it. This is why you're not able to see the results till now. Do this workout. I know it's easy on the knees. I know it's very effective and no problem at all. No more excuses. The best part about these two simple moves is that it's easy on the joints, no equipment needed, completely beginner friendly, and just 2 minutes daily. And the best part about it is that it only needs your bed, your body, and your commitment. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin these two simple and easy moves. Just like all exercises, before you do any exercise, you have to begin with a warm-up. And this exercise, because you're doing it on your bed, you have to be very careful to be able to warm up your muscles well before you can do the simple moves that I'm going to teach you. For the warm-up, you have to sit up like this with your back straight and your shoulders also pushed backwards, and your core should be tight. That is the target area. So we're going to do high knees like this, a simple warm-up. Your toes will be pointing inwards. Very well done. We're going to do the warm-up for at least a minute. And this is how we are all prepped and all ready to the two simple moves that I'm going to teach you. So to show you the beginner-friendly first level of this very first move, you have to lay down like this. Keep your hands behind your head and you have to keep your core tight and lock your knees. Make sure they're not limp. They have to be like this. And you have to flap your legs like this, lift them up one by one. And you can feel the stretch all along this area, which is the lower belly. Once we master this, then I'm going to show you the advanced level of this very move. Well done, you've done the beginner level really well. Now let me show you the intermediate level. For that again, you have to take your hands behind your head and you have to lift your legs up and flap them like this. When you're doing the intermediate level, as you notice, your feet are not touching the bed. They're up in the air and you can feel all the more difference along your lower belly area. Now let me show you the advanced move. Friends, let me do a quick recap of all the 2 moves that we have done before this. The first move was the beginner friendly level, where your arms are behind your head, touching the bed and also your feet. One by one they have to touch the bed. The second move is the intermediate, where your arms and your head will be touching the bed, but your feet will be up in the air like this. Now I'm going to show you the advanced level, which is the most difficult but most effective. While doing this level, your arms and your feet both will be up in the air, and this is the posture you have to come with your arms and your feet. Well done. My lower belly is on fire. I can actually feel the stretch, the toning and the tightening of my belly muscles, especially the lower belly, which is the target area, that belly pooch, which often looks horrible when you want to wear your favorite pair of jeans or a tight-fitted dress. So if you've been doing this exercise with me, I'm sure you're going to thank me, because you know the feeling, don't you? And if you're looking to join a paid weight loss program, which is completely customized, tailor-made according to your needs, your preferences, your likes and your dislikes, then you can click on the link given below in the description and join my weight loss program, where a proper Ayurvedic doctor, dietitian and a health counselor will be provided to you to keep you motivated and going all throughout the program under my supervision. So if you want to see the results, this is the place to be, where you will learn so much more about your own body type and end up seeing all the transformational results that you are looking forward to. I've enjoyed making this video. If you've enjoyed watching it too, then please don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.